Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have B&O Beoplay H7 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android phone. At first we have to turn on our headphones and go into pairing mode by pulling the switch on Bluetooth. Now as you can see we are now in pairing mode. So we have to scroll down to our control panel, then hold everything on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into details. Now we have to wait for our headphones to appear here. As you can see, Beoplay H7. We have to click on it and click pair. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.